Question. State the different types of economic activities. Answer. The different types of economic activities are business. It refers to those economic activities which are connected with the production or purchase and sale of goods or supply of services with the main object of earning profit. People engaged in business earn income in the form of profit. Profession. It includes those activities which require special knowledge and skill to be applied by individuals in their occupation. Those engaged in professions are known as professionals. Employment. It refers to the occupation in which people work for others and get remunerated in return. Those who are employed by others are known as employees. Next question. Question. Why is business considered an economic activity? Answered. Business is considered to be an economic activity because it is undertaken with the object of earning money or livelihood and not because of love, affection, sympathy, or any other sentimental reason. Next question. Question. Explain the concept of business. Answer. The term business has been derived from the word busy. Thus, business means being busy. However, in a specific sense, business refers to an occupation in which people regularly engage in activities related to purchase, production, or sale of goods and services with a view to earning profits. The activity may consist of production or purchase of goods for sale, or exchange of goods or supply of services to satisfy the needs of other people. Next question. Question. How would you classify business activities? Answer. The business activities can be classified as industry. It refers to economic activities which are connected with conversion of resources into useful goods. These include activities relating to producing or processing of goods as well as breeding and raising of animals. Among the major activities that are performed by an industry are production, processing, and manufacturing. Industries are classified into the three categories as primary, secondary, and tertiary. Commerce. It does not involve manufacturing or production. It basically involves trading and its related activities. It includes both buying and selling of goods as well as auxiliaries such as transport, banking, etc. It provides the necessary link between producers and consumers. Includes all those activities which are necessary for maintaining a free flow of goods and services.